Hello, 3,500 will be the maximum. Let's get this fish out of the water. Okay. Let's go. Let's get this fish out. Do you think I can handle this one by myself, or do I need a crane's help? Ooh, look at that. We have a 25x multiplier. But look at the size of that head. Did you see that, guys? That's crazy. That's literally crazy. Crane, we need a crane's help. Look at that. Crane, please, please help us. I don't, that's like, that fish is literally bigger than the crane. We need a helicopter. Helicopter, please help us. Helicopter, please, please help us. I don't think a helicopter can handle this. We need a bigger helicopter. Big helicopter, please come and help us. Just look at the size of that fish. We only got the head out. I don't even think the big helicopter can handle this one. We need something that would help us. And it's still going. The big helicopter can't even handle it. Oh, look at that robot. That's crazy. What? Look at that's crazy. The big helicopter don't even know what to do. We have a 329x multiplier. Congratulations, y'all. 496 winner.